We are here. Ito yung hinahanap ko before. Ang lamig. Beautiful, beautiful building. Hey guys, good morning. It's 1:45 in the morning. I'm also making coffee for my husband. Tulog pa yung asawa ko. I had a very hard time to sleep. So, nakatulog ako at least mga 3 hours. Crazy, right? Every time na umaalis kami, we have flight today. Our flight will be Houston to Chicago. So, may layover kami sa Chicago and then Chicago to Rochester. We are going to New York. This is not a long trip, by the way. We will just attending karate fight. Alam niyo naman yung asawa ko na sobrang love niya yung karate, guys. I'm just here supporting him with his love of karate, and also his student will be competing. And this is the biggest reason why we're going to support. So I have this scarf for me kasi po malamig. Sobrang lamig daw sa New York. Right now in Rochester, it's actually like 0 degrees Celsius. Just imagine that, guys. I have coat that I did not wear as of the moment kasi hindi pa naman malamig, but I'm gonna carry it. We're here in the parking area. So we're gonna park our car, guys. We are early, like 2 hours, babe, 30 minutes.
Well,
early.
the flight's in 3.5 hours.
Yeah, so it's okay.
We're going to row P right here.
We are here. Departure area. Hindi ko alam, maririnig niyo ako, guys. Ang ingay. I'm holding everything. Sobrang ganda ng kanilang airport. Sobrang linis. Not busy right now. We are in a wrong gate or terminal, so they move our terminal from A to C, so we need to go and walk. Ay, guys, may nangyari pa, guys. Something happened, so the security stuff came kasi yung camera daw may something parang sunga. Walang tao, so I can vlog. We're going to United Club Lounge, my favorite place. What did you get? This is for me? Thank you. Sweet. Sweet.
You might want to start with this one.
Yeah. Right. I'm a little bit shy vlogging here because there's a lot of people. Nahiya akong mag-vlog. They have a lot of options. I don't know what is this. This one. I'll just get fruits, guys. Just fruits for me. I'll get, but this one. Pineapple is what I want to eat. Morning, Houston. Yan yung aming guys, plane. Papuntang Chicago. And then papuntang New York. We're just waiting. Our boarding time will be in 36 minutes. You still want to eat, babe?
Huh?
You still want coffee? You're good?
I think I'm good.
Grabe po na yung aking boarding na, guys. Let's go. Try natin maging vlogger ko, no, guys. Nahihiya ako eh. What?
Besides being a good chauffeur.
Yeah, he doesn't want me to carry the luggage, guys. Okay, I'm pretending though that I'm carrying. We're boarding.
That's what.
What? Yeah, I want to see this. We haven't seen. I thought it's...
You don't mind being cold.
I don't mind for 1 hour. We are now in the plane. My husband doesn't want to sit with me.
Oh, I'm sure somebody had to sit.
Somebody will be. We were like talking about it yesterday, like, I wish nobody's sitting in between us, but who knows?
Remember.
Babe. We are here in Chicago. Thank you. Wow, it's cold. We still have 2 hours layover. Stay naman kami sa lounge, guys. We can roam around. We can roam around and see something. Oh, this is a different, like more, almost 2, right? Oh, this is a different kind over there. It's like an open. Look at this. It's not too cold though. So this is now Chicago Airport, guys. We just landed.
We're on Concourse B.
Yeah.
So we're in.
It's almost 11. Where are we?
Concourse B is this way.
Okay. I didn't bring my sunglasses. I forgot. Okay. This is so nice. Look, natural lighting here. Beautiful. Guys, are we gonna go down? Nice airport here, huh? I love it. Where? Here? Oops. Look how different. This is so, ano man tawag dito? Classic. Ay, ayaw mag-walk ng asawa. Gustong maglakad dito sa ano. Gutom ko guys, hindi ako nakakain kanina nung nasa Houston. Like, kasi guys, naulaw ko. Okay. Let's try this one. See if this is good. Thank you, baby. I need Coke. They have Coke, right? They have Coke. I'm gonna try this one. First time ko siyang kakainin. Hindi ko alam kung ano pangalan nito.
It's the same shit that deal with his body, dude. It's the same. Well.
Let's eat, guys. So this one is so good.
Rice.
They do rice. That's very rare. Maybe rice, but different version.
Oh, yeah.
Not the jasmine rice that I usually ate.
Like dinner.
This one is so good.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, mayonnaise, mustard.
So our next flight will be what? How many hours that is? 4, 5? And we're not sitting together.
A couple hours.
Ayaw niyang nakiupo sa akin, guys. I really love sitting by the window kasi I enjoy the view. But itong asawa ko, guys, ayaw. He doesn't wanna sit in between. Ayaw na ayaw niya. Gusto niya ayaw lang siya mag-sit.
Do you blame me?
No. No.
Nobody
Just saying.
wants to sit in the middle seat.
Just saying, if they're gonna ask me, like, why are you sitting alone? Or where is he? The food I love is back.
So, a couple things. It's not sure.
This one is so good. I think I have to put mustard in it, right? I think,
You can.
but I don't have to. It's already good even without mustard. Didn't realize that United Club has also like a place where you can drink vodka, beer. Hindi ko alam yun. I didn't know about it until today. I'm shocked. They have a beautiful area here to drink. If gusto mo maglasing, but I got myself a pineapple juice. Regular. Wala tong vodka, guys. Because they cannot be able to make the one he asked to make. So, Let's drink. Oh my gosh, babe. They have tester. Oh, you didn't? Look lang the eye. Oh my gosh. Are you sure?
Where do you think I got it at originally?
Not here.
Duty free.
Really? Is this tester? It's tester, right? No, not this one. The N5. We're here at the perfume area. May mga tester sila dito, guys. Ito yung hinahanap ko before. This one, I really wanted to smell. This one. Ito ba yun? I think this one or the other one. I think this one is the new one. N5 Chanel. So ko siyang i-spray. Yeah, that's fresh. I want to see. This one smells good. This one smells so good. That's the same perfume you got before. Yeah.
I sprayed it on my arm.
Where's the other one? He sprayed it. Oh. I like this better.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't videoing.
Oh, wow. That's not cheap. It's so cold. We just got here in Rochester Airport, guys, and we are picking up our car that we rented. Ang lamig. We couldn't get the car that he wants to get. He wants to rent. So we got this minivan daw kuno. Oy, ambot na lang, whatever. Mahal. Oy, na may, babe. They have some cleaning tools out here. Sobrang lamig sa labas. My goodness. Tama nga yung sinabi ng asawa ko, guys, na ano niyo ba ako? Naririnig niyo ako. Tama nga yung sinabi ng asawa ko na dito sa New York, sobrang lamig talaga. Like right now, down to 2 degrees Celsius ata. And paglabas namin from the airport, guys, like nangorog ko. I'm wearing this coat, but I don't have gloves. I don't have a hat. Nangorog ko, besh. But okay, finally we got this car rented for at least 2 days. Yeah. And then he was thinking of renting a small lang na car ba, kay easy to park and whatever, but they don't have available small car, so they gave us this minivan. Hindi ako nag-vlog masyado sa airport pagdating namin dito sa Rochester Airport. That's because, guys, sobrang pagod ko talaga. Alam nyo ba, from Chicago Airport, our flight from Chicago up to here in Rochester, tulog ako. Like, I had a nap. So, I was sitting on the window side of the plane, and then yung asawa ko kasi hindi talaga yan mahilig sitting sa between, like may iba, I mean like nasa gitna siya. He doesn't wanna sit. We are not sitting together on the flight Chicago to Rochester, but it was fine. It was okay. Okay lang yun, guys. That was fine. So sumakit na yung ulo ko. Ang sakit na ng lalamunan ko. Gusto ko ng tubig. We need water. I need water. Actually, I'm very thirsty. Mamaya, guys, I'll show you. Kasi hindi ko alam talaga kung saan kami magstay. I don't know where we are staying. Anong hotel. Kasi yung asawa ko.
Sorry.
They're gonna take this?
They're gonna take it and put air in it.
And then they're gonna give us something else? Or
No, they're gonna go put air in it and bring it back.
oh, okay. Room tour right away. Nice, welcome. Welcome, sir. Which bed are you? Oh, wow. Parito bed. Which bed are you?
Oh, you want your own bed?
No, kidding.
I'm gonna take the bigger bed.
It's the same.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay, guys. Wala nang tour kasi ganito lang naman yung bed namin, oh. This is our room for 2 nights here in Rochester. Very nice, diba? Oh, ganyan lang. Simple. Wow. And then they have a coffee. Coffee. I need water. Gusto ko tubig. And here's our, wala man tayo view. Nakarsada man na itong view. Ay, kayong kung katong water. Ay, okay. View sa labas. Wag na lang. Tingnan natin yung CR kasi sa CR ako mas na ano. Di masyadong ano. It's very simple toilet. But it has a very nice mirror. Charot. Ganda ng pa-mirror dito, oh. Oh. Guys, tingnan yung mukha ko. It was not really fun because delay pa yung ano namin. Yung flight kanina from Chicago to Rochester, delay ng sobra. Like 1 hour more. More than an hour. Yung delay niya. My gosh, nakaupo kami sa, ano, we were sitting in the airplane for more than an hour. Waiting and waiting and sobrang pagod ko na talaga. Oh my gosh, this is not for me. Mahayang pata, makasala pata, makabayad pata. Are you cold?
You are.
I am cold. Yeah, that's true. Really cold. Paglabas pa lang ng airport, when we come out from the airport earlier, I'm like, woo, am I in Korea? Sobrang lamig. Let's do bag raid. Ako na mag-bag raid sa sarili ko. So anyway, kanina, why sobrang laki ng ating bag? Ito yung binigay ni Ma'am Ami sa akin. Sobrang gamit na gamit ko. Good pala siya pang travel kasi marami akong nalalagay. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. So anyway, yung laman ng ating bag, ang bigat. So nilagay ko sa bag yung ating winter hat and gloves. And then yung scarf, sinuot ko na guys yung scarf niya. By the way, if you are interested to buy this winter set, I will leave the link in the description box. Cellphone, yung aking GoPro Pocket 2, dinala ko guys. Yung very basic ko lang talaga for my face na gagamitin is yung sun screen, yung tent natin from Etude House, yung ating Lineage na lipping mask, yung ating mascara, and yung pangbalod ng mascara, and ano ba to? Pugong. And then I have this Dove, maliit, pang travel size lang talaga to guys, na body cream or lotion. And then I have also LA Girl Pro Setting Powder. Gubot ni, wala nang nag-ayo. And then I have Bell's phone. Dinala ko siya. Akala ko kasi gagamitin niya. Ito yung old phone niya. And then, cover ng ating camera. What else pa? Yung ating power bank and yung ating cable. Marami itong laman itong bag na to guys. I'm so amazed. Meron akong dalang Skyflakes. This is so funny. No? Meron akong biscuit na dala sa aking bag. Meron tayong, dinala ko ito kasi baka mag-video ako using my phone. Ito yung pagpatapot sa ano guys, hindi, lagay mo lang yung phone. Binili ko to sa Shein, mura lang to, $1 lang ata to. And then, I also have extra battery for my GoPro na ginagamit ko ngayon, nagba-vlog. And then I have my AirPods. I also bring spearmint. Yun. And then, I also have, ito yung favorite ko. Dala-dala ko siya guys. Hindi pwedeng mawala sa bag yan. Always ko yung dala. I leave the link in the description box if you wanted to get these. I brought my IDs. Kasi baka hahanapan tayo. So, dinala ko yung aking green card, mga IDs from Texas. And dala ko yung passport ko. And I think that's all. Ito lang. Yun lang. Pero marami ha. Bigat ang bag ko. Dala-dala ko kanina guys. But that's all for my bag. Alright. I'll put this back. Yung iba, hindi ko na to dadalhin. Kakain daw kami, sabi niya. Then, let's go and eat. Nandali ka? Nicole! Huy, wait lang. Gikuha atong bayi agguan? Gibaligyan ako? Tanawa daw, be? Kung iya bang gikuha? Right, we're going out to eat, guys. Even here inside the room, ang lamig. Sobrang lamig talaga. My goodness. Hindi ko maintindihan, but ang lamig talaga. Sobrang lamig talaga, guys. Tala na, babe. I'm ready. Hindi ko sinuot yung gloves, but this is how it looks like. Sa mga nasa America and Canada, guys, you can order this one. But it looks nice. We are out. Ang lamig. Grabe, sobrang lamig, guys. What's the temperature now? 0? It's so cold. My goodness. It's really cold. Oh my gosh, guys. Nag-gloves na ako kasi sobrang lamig. Okay. I know. You're gonna laugh at me. I know. Is this a restaurant? Hairstylist restaurant? Pizza. They're close. Naglalakad lang kami, guys. Kakain daw kami. Kinagutom din siya eh. Well, this is... Nasa mismong town kami. Grabe, sobrang lamig. My pants is not enough for this temperature. Whoa. Crazy. Welcome to New York. Huh? What? Come here. No, my gloves is good. I'm talking about my jeans.
I said your blood is not.
Ah, my blood? Wow, it's so nice here. Look. Beautiful, beautiful building. Are we crossing? Oh. Are we good to cross? Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. What kind of building is that? It's
an old one.
Old building. It looks like it was sunog. I mean, like there's fire before. Parang nasunog. A very old building. I don't know how they call this one.
Old courthouse. There's Kodak building.
Kodak? Oh my gosh. So we are staying here at Wyndham. We're not gonna stay again here. Wag nyo na lang tanungin, guys, bakit? Basta, kung maglalagay kami ng review, it's 0 star. No, it's maybe 2.
0, maybe a 2.
Maybe a 2. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I don't know if you can see, but if I'm blowing, merong aso, di ba? May usok. So, we just realized na hindi namin kaya maglakad talaga. We cannot do it walking. It's very cold. So we're going to get the car. Magka-car na lang kami. Gosh, this is crazy. Crazy but fun for me. Okay, I always wish to experience this cold place. I don't want to drink. I want to eat. Yeah. Yeah, you see that? Guys, you see that? Ha? Huy, where are you going? Kahit ulo niya akong bana eh. Yan! I'm buga! No, it's a... I have cold right now. Sobrang lamig sa labas. So we just get inside, figure things out. Kasi ayaw niyang umalis sa parking spot kasi baka may papalit lang. Somebody might take his spot there. Mahirapan kami maghanap ng parking. Pero we really need to go out kasi kailangan namin ng tubig. And then we have to eat. Oh my gosh. Ang lamig sa labas. Hindi nag-snow, guys, pero malamig talaga. Like nakakagilid.
3/10 of a mile. American.
Okay. What? How far?
3/10 of a mile.
What? 1/3?
3/10.
Yeah. I'll buy
Oh, they have fish tacos.
I'll buy like yours. Hindi kaya ng jacket na to, yung lamig sa labas. Ano?
Should we get some cash?
Yan. 5 degrees lang naman.
Says it's a 9-minute walk.
9 minutes? No, I
I
cannot
think that's for like crippled people.
walk faster with the cold. I don't think so. We are back actually in the room, guys. Tapos na kami kumain. Bumalik si Belle sa lobby to complain. Ito na nga yung sinasabi, hindi kami babalik because another problem. The heater is not working. So sobrang lamig talaga, guys. Like sobrang lamig right now. Hindi lumabas kami kanina para kumain, 'di ba? So it was like more than an hour. And then we put the heater on paglabas namin or before kami lumabas. Pagbalik namin dito, ang lamig. Sobrang lamig talaga. Sobrang lamig. Hindi maano yung heater. Kaya like, my gosh. So yung isa, alam niyo naman yung isa, guys. Alam niya kasing lamigin ako. Ayun, nagpunta sa lobby. Asking kung pwede ba nila ilipat kami ng room kasi wala talaga yung heater. Nilalamig po talaga ako. This is not a joke. This is not really a joke. Sobrang lamig talaga. Ang lamig. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here. This vlog is just for the flight. So tomorrow I'll be sharing with you guys another event. The reason why we're here in New York to attend this tournament. And yeah, I'll be doing another vlog for that. So let's see. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I'm freezing.